What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dad coming to you guys with a brand new video. And it's early. It's 11:15. My hair is a mess, so we're not gonna talk about the hair. But I have a package. It's for this thing right here. It's so close to me when I vlog that when I vlog I have to put like my whole arm out. And this is arm length for me. And like you can still kind of you could barely see the top of my head. So I have an answer for that. I have a package, and yes, it's open already. Don't want to hear it. I got a new lens. Let's see if we can focus up. It's the Tamron 17 to 18 millimeter f2.8 lens. I was gonna get the Sony. I believe it's like 16 to 35. But if you know the price on those things, there's no way I'm gonna be able to get that. That thing costs more than the camera itself. I'm excited to put this on because I've been wanting a wide angle lens for quite some time now. And if you guys know that, like when I first started vlogging, maybe like a year ago, I actually had the A7 III and the A7S III, and both of those had the same lens as this. Then I switched to the ZV-1 because I wanted to go something smaller, and even that thing wasn't wide enough, so I ended up getting the A7 IV, which is this camera here. And now I can finally get my wide angle lens again. And if you guys don't know, like, I love tech stuff, so I'm gonna switch to this lens. Maybe I should show you guys first, huh? It's a lot lighter than the 17 to 28 too. So I heard that one itself is like 2 pounds. So this is the lens, nothing special. We're gonna switch to that lens right now. Boom! Oh shit! Talk about wider. Why does that actually feel so much wider? You can see everything. They can see the clothes. Our room's a mess right now. We're not gonna talk about it. Maybe I'll move you guys this way. But now we got a wide angle. Look at this. Is arm's length. This is like hella close to my face. Why does my head look like a freaking so long? I don't know. But I'm glad to be back on the wide angle lens. But now let's go downstairs. We have a couple things to fix on the Type R, so we're gonna head over there right now. Couple things I want to fix on the Type R, like I said, is one of them being the suspension for it. The rear is causing a lot of clunking, and then I want to put the center console back in because I haven't had a center console in I don't know how long. So finally we can put the center console back in, and we can finally have drinks in the car. For the longest time we couldn't have drinks in the car. You believe that? But time to get working on the Type R. I guess we'll start with the center console since it's easy. Alright, I got majority of the console in. Just kind of piecing everything back together. I kind of forgot how everything goes, so I am kind of cheating and using, YouTube and everything, but pretty much got everything back on. I want to get the leather piece off the boot just so I can show, like, the cutie logo and everything. So I'm gonna figure out how to take it off of here and see if it'll work that way. So I want to figure out how to take it off. All right, interior is all done, good to go. Finally. Now we can move to the suspension and figure out what's going on with the suspension. So the main issue that I'm having with the coilovers is that it's making a pretty bad clunky noise. Don't mind the mess in there. If you guys remember, Jesus Christ, so bright. If you guys remember, we actually lowered the car a little bit more, and I didn't just preload because I didn't think you really needed to, but by the means of it, I guess I really need to. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust the preload, and hopefully it's good, because I like where it sits right now, to be honest with you. Like the fronts are perfect. I mean, they're good where they're at. They're pretty much maxed out. Pretty much fully maxed out on there. And if you look at the rear, oh baby, you know it, I'm tucking. And just an FYI, when you guys are jacking up the car, make sure you have safety first. We got the safety, and it's first. Now it's time to jack this mother effer up. In case you guys wanted to know, here's pretty much where the Type R sat in terms of, I guess, how low it is. So we're gonna raise it back up just so I don't hear the noise. It was good riding this low, but it's okay, I guess. So just so we can get it on reference film, it should be about an inch from the top. So hopefully that does it. All right, everything has been reassembled. It's not hot, but I'm sweating because it's just working. Nancy's installing her dash cam.
My dash cam.
She can't really see us yet. We're gonna go right into Type R, so I'm sure that we don't hear anything. Let's get her a little juicy, the juicy woosy. Oh, 85 startup, baby. You know what it is. I love the wide angle so much more now. Oh my god. Literally all of it is gone. Like, I have no noise in this thing at all, or no suspension noise. We're going out of the street here. Like, I don't hear anything. And it feels good. It feels good to have the center console back too. Because oh my god, having one without it and having drinks without it was a mission. But we're gonna go for a little drive, and maybe I'll do a little pull for you guys too. Oh my god. Oh my shit. I keep forgetting how fast this car really is. So we're headed to the Ososik E-Shop. What? I gotta go pick up some MTF fluid because the car needs it. Haven't had MTF in so long. So we got a little bit of drive ahead of us, but I'm okay. I'm ready to see it.
Guys, look, we have cup holders now.
That's what she's excited about, is cup holders.
We're gonna go get boba.
What are we doing?
Changing your MTF.
Ooh. This feels weird to vlog in front of people.
Okay, roll up the sleeves.
I guess you gotta work on your car, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
I have 3 subs. I mean, 300 subs.
3 subs, you yourself and I?
Road to 1K right now. Just do what Fresh Takes does. Just do all racing videos. That's how you blew
I'll
up.
take your car and I run it over a curb, and then you'll go viral. Don't worry about it.
There's insurance there. They have the brains that I don't. Can you see it on that side?
Why? Because they're all hard?
It's all burnt.
Like, usually at work it breaks it.
That's it? Ooh! Hey, you know what you're talking about? Hey. Oh my. Think I can get it without putting oil on me? You doubting my skills or what?
You should.
What's up? Oh, no, I got it on me. Is that good or bad? Oh, it's squirting, dude.
She just squirted.
Is that a good color or bad color?
She just squirted.
Yeah. What are you doing? You can hear it. You can hear it too. Looking at my poopy exhaust. I mean, my poopy leak.
This is gassy. She like blew up. She got toast.
I should get a new one.
Not really. What do you mean? Look at all that. Is it wet?
Yeah.
Hey.
So a gasket will fix that then?
Yeah, new one. Yeah. Sure.
I need to get one up there too.
What exhaust is this?
GDR. You can zoom in too.
I know, I've been.
Where do you see?
Okay, I'm in this angle right now? Yeah.
big ass cone. This.
So good, even you would drink it?
So good, even I'll drink it. There's only 2 in this one.
Big rolls.
Chill. So thick.
When's the big turbo going on?
Hey. You don't need influences, okay?
Oh, you still the influencer or no?
For sale?
This is not tiny at all.
That's not that.
Are you shooting B-roll? Is that what it is? Talking.
Let them know what's up. This is the intro.
Intro? This is the end of it.
Alright.
This is the outro.
Alright, tell them the outro.
This is, we're done. Look. Ryan's behind the camera, guys.
Who?
Fong VLG.
And where are you at?
He's my videographer now.
Oh, okay. No. we're finished.
So it is about a couple of days later from the last clip that you guys have seen. We pretty much just ended up going out and just having a good time, so I didn't really want to vlog any of that. But we did change the MTF fluids, so if you guys need anything, make sure you guys go to the website right here. It'll also be the first link in the bio down below. Huge shout out to Nick for allowing me to use the lift and using the shop to work on the car. Like I said, if you guys need anything MTF or oil change, make sure you guys go down there down below. He also has a lot more things on the website, which is coming very, very soon, so to stay tuned for all of that. We did maintenance on the car, we put the center console back together. It really wasn't a whole much, so I'm pretty much gonna end the video kind of here. Like I said, I've been working a lot behind the scenes, which is why I haven't been able to post a lot. We've been working a lot on the clothing brand for everything. As you guys can see here, I got the stickers and everything. A little sneak peek for you guys. These will be on the website soon. We're also waiting on the clothes and everything to get in, so we can upload that and have the website good and ready to go. So yeah, Lost Minds is coming very, very soon. Like I said, this is going to be a clothing brand for everything. So I hope you guys are excited for that, because I'm super excited. We also have the sticker up right there, and then we also have it up over there, which you can't really see. So I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't a whole lot, but it is to kind of like a long vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't worry, we have more content coming for cars. If you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I will see you guys in the next video. Dab, peace.